Wendy thinks she's slick having these useful idiots. Or exactly, Denise. That's why when I go real life on them, then they'll see what it's like. Then they'll feel what I feel, because that's where I'm at. I want them to feel what I feel right now. I want them to wonder what's going to happen to them next.
Do it, lady, on your birthday. All of it at once, all of the time, or whenever you want. Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Really do appreciate you. Good to see all of my pearls in chat as everyone's filing in. Lots to talk about today.
Okay, we're back. Can I show y'all? I cannot fucking breathe.
Do not show my roof.
We're real protective of this oak tree back here. So stupid.
Does what's his name still have his monkey? Yeah, he still has his monkey. He's gonna have that monkey for another 25 years. Enjoy. Yeah, the monkey is gonna make Justin bald. He's gonna constantly pull his hair.
You know she talking about her sweet walls.
Karen, have you seen how many cars they got, Karen? How come you ain't reported them? You surely reported my dogs, bitch.
You hear me inside saying, yeah, we love it. That's going to be her new intro. She's going to play that shit every day. Every day. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. No, that was Purdy.